that because the two things happened, first of all. One party took over the labor movement, which is one of my favorite movements also. And then it became a regional party, more than, whereas it was a marvelous breach into the established two camps. Peter Obi achieved something remarkable there, that he broke that mold. Yes, however, he did not win the election. In addition, my own organization has a monitoring unit. You know the one I'm talking about. And so I could say categorically that Peter Obi's party came third, not even second. And that the leadership knew it.
Thank you so much. I'm your body so great. Millions of Nigerians are asking a very important question. Is our own son, the elder statesman, Professor Wole Soyinka, still in this country? If he's here in Nigeria, why is he silent? Does it mean he has nothing to say concerning Tinubu's certificate saga, concerning the revelation about how a man went to school that does not exist? So, people are waiting. Say, by now, Professor Wole Soyinka ought to have said something. You ought to have taken a position. So, what is happening? Where is Professor Wole Soyinka? Where do you stand at a time like this? That is the question Nigerian people are asking. Share this video. Let it go to Professor Wole Soyinka. We want him to take a stand. God bless you.
While awaiting that decision, I never heard the kind of language, the kind of menacing, blackmailing language as that which was, to which we were treated by Mr. Dati. And that kind of attitude and that kind of go, do or die kind of provocation is not what I think we've all been struggling for.